I love the design of the controller, great packaging, definitely worth the money, overall great product. From a pricing perspective, this is an exceptional good deal. Though the design looks like Xbox, it is a PS4 controller. You will note that the controller is lighter than the original PS4 controller. I do not notice problem of steering or controlling the games. The battery life, I do not notice much difference. I like it actually better. Works just as good with same features as factory controllers, and the price is amazing.